Whoa, check it out.
We haven't had this since Korea. Boom.
BHC.
We're doing some BHC chicken. We got 2 combos. This is the first one open in, I believe, Orange County. We do have some in like LA, but they're far. First things first, BHC. Over here they have chicken sandwich. So here's Jordan's chicken sandwich. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so there it is. Today's their grand opening, so we came to check it out. It looks like that. Okay, so it's chicken, some mayo, and pickles. There you go. Thanks.
I'm hungry.
There you go. Okay.
Itakimasu.
Okay, and then I got the combo number 1. Oh, I lost my thing. But this is Bburinkle chicken. It's Bburinkle. So it has chicken like this, but it's like seasoned with their like cheesy seasoning. And it comes with the cheese balls. This is good.
Yeah.
And some seasoned fries. And then the next one we got is, oh, okay, so we got drumsticks. One of the combos is drumsticks, and the other one is wings with the Bburinkle sauce, but also with no seasoning at all. All right, let's give this a try. All right, first things first. Bburinkle chicken. Here we go.
I'm having French fries.
Oh, it smells good. So it's like cheese powdered fried chicken, Korean fried chicken. Here we go. BHC chicken. Here we go. Okay. Good flavor. Just to let you know, Korea likes things sometimes sweet a little bit. This Bburinkle chicken is it's a little bit on the sweet side too. It's like a sweet cheese. I know it sounds a little odd, but yeah, that's what it is. Sweet cheese.
It sounds odd, but it's delicious.
Oh, tasty. Okay. Chicken sandwich. That's a good chicken sandwich.
Try the French fries.
There's also potato wedges.
Oh, there's both?
It is a little bit on the sweeter. It's like a sweet cheese powder. Here's a cheese ball. Let's see if we can get a cheese ball from this.
It worked? Whose is longer?
Oh, dang. I think they were about to tie. I think it was a tie.
I think I went a little further.
We'll let you guys decide that. Oh, French fries. I kind of like the sauce or the powder more on the French fries. Like a sweet, salty, cheesy powder. Pretty good. Is it like Korea? It's similar. I feel like Korea's powder was a little bit different. This one seems a little bit more on the sweeter side. I mean, it's a naturally sweet sauce or powder. But let's try with their Bburinkle mayo dipping sauce. It's like a honey mustard. Actually a tasty sauce. Ooh, I like that. It's like a good honey mustard, sweet honey mustard sauce. But I also got their, I think this is their most spicy sauce. It's called the Red King sauce.
Okay, I'm not tasting that.
Yeah, it looks like bulldog sauce almost. But look at how dark it is in the container. You can't even see it, it's so dark. There it is.
It looks like
bulldog sauce. Oh, it smells like a smoky bulldog sauce. It's really spicy.
Rate it.
It's like bulldog sauce, but smoky.
Rate it to 10. Which one?
It's actually a little bit sweeter than pulled duck sauce. It is just as spicy though. Ooh, that's nice. I would say that sauce is if pulled duck sauce is a 7, I'm gonna give this one a
5?
It's like a 6 because it's a little bit sweeter.
Sweetness level.
Mm-hmm.
What's the sweetness level?
It's as sweet as sugar. Yeah.
That makes sense. There probably is sugar in it.
Possibly. Yeah. Does it bring me back to when we were eating BHC chicken at the Han River in Korea?
Not really.
Not really. Is it good? Yeah, it's good. I like it.
I like
Jordan you can clearly tell Jordan likes the sandwich. Okay, it took us about 25 minutes to get here. Would I drive 25 minutes to come back here to get the chicken? Jordan, what about you?
I don't have to drive.
Yeah, but would you sit in the car for 25 minutes to get down here?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. I would say only if we're coming down to Irvine. It's located in Irvine in the H Mart food court. If we're coming down to Irvine...
Oh, to shop?
No. If we're just coming down to Irvine, it's an option. I'll leave it at that. I'll leave it as an option to get if we're in Irvine.
Well, yeah, it is a far drive.
Yeah, that's a far drive for some fried chicken.
I kind of got car sick.
Yeah, Jordan gets car sick pretty easy. But if we're in Irvine, sure, why not? And honestly, I do like the sweet cheese. You guys, if you haven't had sweet cheese before, think of it as like nacho cheese flavor, but it's sweet.
But they added...
More so than salty.
They added sugar.
Exactly. Like you took some nacho cheese and you added some sugar to make it sweet. That's what this cheese tastes like. It's good. I like it. I don't know if I described that okay. Do you think that makes sense? It's sweet cheese?
Yeah.
All right, guys. You guys heard it.
I
This
do
was
like the sweet cheese, though.
Yeah, it is good. It's good. All right, guys. So that was BHC's chicken grand opening in Irvine. This was the first in Orange County, I believe. Don't quote me, but I believe this is the first in Orange County. Korean fried chicken. Pretty darn good. I like it. All right, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. CrunchBros.